Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. This is really cool 2008 Toyota Tacoma, which came for engine oil and thorough inspection, and this one is equipped with that V6 ride model 1GR-FE 4-liter engine. And this should be, I guess, considered a very simple video for newbies, where I encourage everybody to do the simple maintenance on their own. And what is the simplest or simple maintenance? Well, obviously doing engine oil change, but that requires catching pans and getting underneath it and so on. What's about engine air filter? And Toyota did a great job on this. That might be one of the easiest engine air filter inspection and replacements in the world. And I will let you to be judge of that, right? What do you think? Isn't this easiest in the world? So this is the engine air filter housing. It has only 2 clips or clamps right here. And all you have to do is move it this way and then forward, right? And voila, here goes the engine air filter. This is the dirty side and this is the clean side. And if you look with me on the clean side, right, this is kind of clean, but if you compare it to the other side, I will say this engine air filter should be replaced today or very soon, right? Because sooner or later it will be saturated with the dirt, dust, and it will be not working good anymore. And the install is very simple. It has asymmetrical, right, design, so you even cannot put it incorrectly there. So if you grab this whole thing, slide it there, and now you start in the back, right? Boom. Here, those 2 clips. 1, 2, and voila, everything is back. And I think everybody is capable replacing this engine air filter on this 1GR-FE V6 4-liter engine. I hope you find this video helpful, and make sure you are subscribed. I will always have more videos coming your way soon. Thanks for watching and have a great day, my friend.